Hi everyone, it's Josephine with Dars again. So I just wanted to make a really quick introduction video of how to use Siri because as an iPhone user, I use her all the time. I can confidently say that she's one of my best friends. And hopefully she can be one of yours too because she really is really handy. So I have my iPhone here. Dog's my background. So I usually like to say, "Hey Siri. Hey Siri." She'll come on. How many cups are in a gallon?
1 gallon is 16 cups.
So she can tell you information like that if you are cooking or baking or, any of that kind of stuff. She can tell you, "Hey Siri, how many hours of sleep should I be getting a night?"
Okay, I found this on the web for how many hours of sleep should I be getting a night.
So
Check it out.
she'll pull up for you the most popular hits, and you can actually click on any of these for more information. So if I find, the second or third link to be really interesting and it looks like the information that I am trying to find out, then I can click on those. It does go away kind of fast, like how you saw on my phone. So if you are someone who has trouble reading that quickly or just seeing it in general, you may have to ask it a second time, or you can have her read it back to you using one of the accessibility features. But yeah, it's really easy to just, find out information on the fly and have a really, really handy tool in your back pocket. Hope that helps anyone who is, just looking for a little handy friend. So yes, thank you for watching.